Welcome to HBRV Lifestyle, and we're going to do the Nexus 24P Phantom Class C with full body paint, full wall slide, frameless windows, ladder access the roof. Now let me explain a little bit about a gas engine. This particular motorhome just recently sold at the RV Exchange in Pahrump, Nevada, brand new for $82,000. If you doubled that, you would get a Mercedes diesel. It would take you 15 years at 3,000 miles a year to compensate for the miles per hour or miles per gallon. So a gas motor like the Ford E350 or E450 will actually save you money unless you plan on keeping the same motorhome and using it for 3,000 miles per year for 15 years. Now this is a very cool floor plan because almost every manufacturer builds it. Nexus puts more storage into it. So they put more drawers, more cabinet space than most of the other brands that build this particular model. The sacrifice is that there is no couch. Instead, there is a dinette. And it's a booth dinette rather than a U-shape. But you still get a big refrigerator and you still get just enough counter space to do a little bit of light cooking. Big microwave, 3-burner stove, now as you go into the bathroom, most folks tell me how tight this bathroom is, and it's tight, but it's what you get in a nice spacious living room. It's what you get in a small motorhome. So we always have to make little sacrifices, right? But let me tell you, the folks that bought this, they're on the taller and bigger side, and they fit in the shower and toilet perfectly. And in the top right-hand corner of this video, you're going to find another small Class C motorhome.